electroplating filter machine problems you must know. 1. The exhaust valve of the electroplating filter machine is blocked. Solution: open the exhaust valve with various practical tools such as boiling water, steam, screwdriver, or electric drill. 2. There is a lack of water in the diaphragm of the electroplating filter machine pressure gauge. Solution: remove the pressure gauge, replenish water, put on the raw material belt, and install it. 3. The pressure gauge of the electroplating filter machine is damaged. Solution: replace the pressure gauge. 4. The diaphragm of the electroplating filter machine pressure gauge is damaged, and the diaphragm water corrodes the pressure gauge. Solution: replace the pressure gauge. The above are some common questions about electroplating filter machine and the production environment. If you have any questions, please leave us a message.